Hey guys, it's Simon Crack from Dead Cool Apps and Kunakify, and today I want to let you in on a new update to the Kunakify app. Since 2017, we've only had Kunaki as the service to print and ship CDs, DVDs, vinyl records, and Blu-ray. Today I want to introduce you to TrepStar integration. So the reason we added this is at the minute Kunaki aren't shipping overseas temporarily. So now this opens up CDs and DVDs to be able to be shipped all over the world. TrepStar also do branded USB sticks. So that's an extra product you can now add into your Shopify store. So all you need to do to access the TrepStar feature is you toggle the switch at the top here, and this will then switch over to TrepStar, and you can enter your email and TrepStar password to make that connection. So the other thing I wanted to show you inside the TrepStar tab is shipping settings, because they slightly differ to Kunaki. With standard, we've got standard with delivery tracking. That's just set as standard. That then means that when your order gets shipped out from TrepStar, your customer gets an automatic email from Shopify with the tracking link. So you don't need to touch this, but if you ever do need to change it to Priority or Express, that will then do all orders as that. So you don't have to touch this for now, but I just wanted to show that feature. So in the next video, we'll show you how to set up a product in TrepStar. Okay, so I'm going to assume you guys have obviously installed Kunakify app, Shopify, into your Shopify store. That's obviously needed, and that then enables you to sell CDs, DVDs, Blu-rays, vinyl records, and now USB sticks via TrepStar, and then be able to ship them on demand as you get an order in your Shopify store. So I just wanted to cover that bit. Let's take that as a given for now. You've installed the Kunakify app in your Shopify store, and now you will need to go to trepstar.com, which is TrepStar.com, and then you just create your free account. So just sign up, email, choose a password, and yeah, so you just do that bit. And then once you've got your login details, the next important part is you'll need to come into your Shopify apps, click into Kunakify, click over to TrepStar on this tab. You see the logo, you know what screen you're on. There's also a slight blue in the background, which just differentiates the page, hopefully, so you know where you are if you're working in Kunaki or TrepStar. So for now, we're in TrepStar, and this is where you want to enter your email and your TrepStar password that you just signed up with your account, and click save. So that's the main thing to keep the connection between the two. This is just a shortcut to TrepStar's website link. That's it. And then there's shipping settings, which you don't need to touch, as mentioned earlier, really. So that is the main thing to get it all connected. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to add a product to TrepStar. Okay, guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a product to TrepStar to then be able to print and ship these products on demand to your customers. So TrepStar do CDs, DVDs, and branded USB sticks. So I'm going to log into my account. You'll see a couple of products I've already set up, but we're going to set up a new product together. Now, I'm not that familiar with TrepStar. I've used them a few times, so you have to bear with me. But look, we'll work it out together, and yeah, and I'll show you how to do it. So let's go for new CD or DVD product. And I'm going to go for a DVD product. So it's going to be my Magic Trick Tutorials DVD 3.0. It is a DVD, so we're going to select DVD. And I would like a DVD case. I will prepare and upload the files myself. Yes, I will. Now this can look overwhelming, but we will go through it step by step. So we'll go down to package type. Yep, that's good. You can set up multi-disc sets with TrepStar as well, which is quite cool. So you could have a multi box set. So let's upload the artwork. So disc artwork for the actual DVD. Now I'm uploading the exact artwork that I usually upload with Kunaki, so it seems to work for DVDs. The only thing I have noticed with CDs, I think you need to put your front cover and your insert page both up together in one file, so that's just something to note. So that's been uploaded. We'll continue. I guess we'll save that. DVD case. Let's upload the artwork for that. Looks good. One thing to note, I don't think they add barcodes like Kunaki do, so you can maybe add your own barcode there or just remove that. Let's go for the save changes and let's go for the insert. Insert card. And we'll save that. You can add extra documents within the product. I'm keeping mine simple, so I don't want any of that. I'm not going to worry about any of this. Don't really need to worry about the retail price and whatnots because you're going to be setting that up on the Shopify side of things anyway. So the main thing now I need to do is upload the actual ISO file. So I will probably fast forward this video because it will probably take 10 years to do. 4 gig file. Okay, so while this is actually uploading, what we can do is we can open up another window in TrepStar and we'll find that the product's actually here anyway. So even though it's still uploading, what I'm going to do is take this ID here. So this is the ID that you need to then paste into your Shopify listing. And there's one important step you need to do, which is adding TREP to the beginning of the code. Now this is important just to keep the product separate so that the Kunakify app knows that it's a TrepStar product rather than a Kunaki product, and it will get sent to the right place. So this is a handy website. It's www.insofta.com/3D cover generator. If you just Google it, I'm sure it'll pop up. But basically, you can create your 3D product for your Shopify listing with this really simply. So we'll go for a 3D one. Try the spine as well. Let's see what we get. Pretty cool. So I could have made that slightly larger, but I'm just going to download that just for this example. Now in Shopify, with Kunaki, you paste the Kunaki ID here, and with a TrepStar listing, you will do the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to products, and I'm going to add a product, and I'm going to call it Magic Trick Tutorials 3.0. Oops. Description can go here. I'll just add the product listing 3D one. That'll do for now. I'm going to leave the price 0 for now just for testing, but obviously you set your price. Track quantity doesn't need to be checked. This is very important. I'll grab the ID. Without the ID, just have the number, and then we'll go back in and we'll paste that, but with TREP and then the code like that. And I will save that. The only other thing you want to do is definitely select Kunakify. Save that. And that should be it. So main thing is you grab your TrepStar code ID for the product. Make sure TREP is before that, no spaces, all like that, and you should be good. Another thing to mention is if you have more than one TrepStar product, you want to bundle it together, you can put a comma and then no space Trep for the next code. Obviously that will be different. Yeah, and that will bundle those two together. I also set up a test CD and DVD. So we've got two products here. So this is a DVD product and a CD together. So that will bundle them together. I just want to show you that. So let's do a test. Purchase. So we'll add this new one. I made it $10. So for this one, let's add a discount just to make it a free order. And then, right. We'll mark this as paid. Now, once we've done that, we just have to go and here you go. As you can see, the order has shown up now in the TrepStar part, and so the order's gone through. So then we'll just have to go back to TrepStar to pay them to manufacture it. So now if I go back to TrepStar, the DVD is uploaded. I've already placed the test order, so you can see that it's pending. So basically, when you upload a new product, TrepStar will just check it over, make sure it all looks good. Once they approve it, then it will go into production. So I'll click on this link and you can see this product's in review. So they'll review it. Once you're approved, then you can go to pay bill and you can see that I've got $18.12 to pay. And then if I pay that now, that will just pre-fund this. And then when they approve it, this will just ship out in the next couple of days. Similar with Kunaki, or I can just add, an amount and use it as a float to then for items to ship by themselves, and then just keep topping the float up, and the orders will then come off your total balance. So it can all be hands off. So while my items getting approved by TrepStar, I might as well pay the bill. So I'm just going to click on the exact amount for this particular one. Hit next. I'm going to go PayPal. It saves entering all this info. Literally, you're going to click PayPal at the bottom here. And we'll get the bill paid. And then when they approve it, it will get shipped out in the next couple of days. Once TrepStar ship the product, your customer is going to get an email similar to this. And they can click on the link to get the tracking. So they can follow it along and you don't have to do anything. You'll also find when TrepStar ship the product that it will get automatically fulfilled in Shopify. So you don't need to do anything. So I think that about wraps it up for this video. If you've got any questions, if I've missed anything out, if anything's unclear, please let me know. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye.